For years, HPE 3PAR and Nimble storage set the standard. Fast performance, proven reliability, operational simplicity. They did exactly what was required for their time. But the environment around them has changed. Today, IT teams are navigating hybrid complexity, rising cyber threats, increasing virtualization costs, and growing pressure to support AI workloads. And while they were the right platforms then, they weren't designed for these new demands. That's why we introduced HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000, and why it's now the fastest growing storage platform in HPE history. The B10000 keeps everything you value about 3PAR and Nimble, and advances it for today's needs. Its modern, disaggregated architecture lets you start small and scale big, with independent scaling of performance and capacity. The result? Greater efficiency, no over-provisioning, and up to 40% lower total cost of ownership. And with a free, non-disruptive controller refresh and seamless upgrades, your storage stays always modern. No downtime, no data migration, no forklift refresh. Operations move to Autopilot. An agentic AI-powered management experience builds on and enhances the InfoSight intelligence you already trust, delivering up to 100 times faster provisioning, 10 times faster troubleshooting, and 43% less administrative effort. Security and resilience are built in, with integrated ransomware detection and recovery, 100% data availability, and guaranteed IT outcomes. You gain true peace of mind. And as virtualization strategies continue to evolve, the B10000 delivers up to 2.5 times better TCO across multi-hypervisor, hybrid cloud environments. Transitioning to the B10000 is simple. By design, we provide the tools, the expertise, and the incentives to help you move easily, cost-effectively, and with confidence. So the path forward is clear. A platform designed for today and ready for what comes next. Modernize without disruption with HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000.